Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, and this are crypto update where I'll be sharing the headlines to you in a shortly, and you know what is going on in the crypto space. Binance to remove trading pairs for FTX token except stablecoin BUSB, and we can also see Binance CEO announce industry recovery fund amid FTX exchange collapse. Also, we can see on the news, OKX announces 100 million fund to support district project following the FTX crash. Crypto.com CEO says Bitcoin as usual after revelation of accidentally sending 400 million to a wallet on Gates.io, and we can see Crypto.com send letters to assuring their clients that their funds are safe. Also, we can see crypto lender BlockFi prep for possible bankruptcy filing after FTX woes. Also, we can see over 1 million creditor could have claim in FTX bankruptcy. SBF Sam Bankman-Fried Alemeda's move 89 million worth of crypto into a new wallet. Golden State Warriors post FTX relationship. And you might want to know that Bahama police are investigating potential criminal misconduct by FTX. Also, we can see Circle reveals the FTX exposure, says USDC conversation on Binance have hurt projections. And talking about autumn projection, Kraken frees FTX and Alameda accounts that they should provide proof of reserves. Crypto lender sought halt withdrawals after FTX collapse. And we can see right here, FTX bankruptcy frees millions worth of crypto company funds. FTX Australia license suspended as 30,000 Aussie left in the lodge. FTX collapse could see crypto sector layoff accelerate. And we can see also here Paxos freezes 19 million US dollars in PAXG token linked to FTX. That's a stable coin. And you can see Visa pull plug also on FTX partnership. Why will wind down debit card reports as time goes on. You might want to know about over 8 billion US dollar withdraw from exchanges following the FTX collapse. Crypto.com code wallet, a crypto code wallet in Ledger Trezor sales moon after FTX collapse. A lot of people are now moving their money into decentralized, and you can see that's why Uniswap overtakes Coinbase as second largest exchange trading Ethereum today. And we can also see Trust Wallet token sales 47% has Binance CEO Shield self-custody solution. You might want to know as well, Charlie Munger compares Bitcoin to child trafficking like central bank. That's funny. And Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stocks rebound as inflation shows sign of turning. And we can see right here, Bitcoin will make it, but there is a catch, says Elon Musk. And we can also see, despite the FTX bankruptcy, Kelvin O. L would still invest in Sam Bankman-Fried. That is crazy. And you might also want to know big banks. New York Fed start to test digital token for wholesale transaction, and I think that is going to be the beginning of the CBDC in United States. We're waiting for. I'm talking about NFT now. Cristiano Ronaldo to launch its first NFT collection on Binance, and I think that might be a big project. Do your research before you do that. And on our radar, talking about headlines today, we have Nike unveils NFT platform. Steve Jobs sandals sells for 200K and more. These are all what we got for you on the crypto update, talking about the headlines today. Until I catch you another episode of this great headlines and crypto update, my name still remains the same, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, and it peace out.